It's time for Tyler's Tip of the Day.
Hello, everyone. Well, today's Tyler's Tip of the Day is going to be a tip about baking. And what we're going to be showing you a couple things here, actually. Number one, if I'm making pizza or what have you, and I like to put that on a type of a screen so that it cooks the crust thoroughly, I always, as you can see, I have tinfoil down there on the bottom. And no matter what you're doing, and regardless of cooking, anytime things are dripping over, it's great to have that because that just cuts down so much of your need to clean your oven out, for one thing. So any drippings get caught by that, and I replace it about every once a week or so. But anyway, what I want to show you is right now I'm cooking up these pigs in a blanket, and so basically just sausage inside of rolled croissants. And what I want you to notice is they're getting pretty nice here. And they're starting to get the color that I like, a little bit of brownness. But what I like to do, just for the last part, is I will actually come up and I will shut off the baking mode here. So we'll clear that off. And now I've got it turned off. I give it about 30 seconds to 45 or so. Just in case you don't know this, as a general rule with electronics, it's good to turn something off and leave it off for at least 30 seconds to a minute before you re-engage it, just in case you didn't know that little fact. So it's been about 30 seconds or so. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to come over here and I'm going to hit my broil, and I'm going to put it on a high broil for maybe a minute and a half. And what that does is just gives that nice little brown look to it. So I'll be back and I'll show you that once it occurs. We don't want to make this video too long. So anyway, let's just see how it turns out, and I'll be back briefly. Okay, so as you can see, the broiler is on, and I have the rack down lower. I don't really want it very high. I want it to stay sort of away, and as you can see, I'm starting to get that nice crispy brownness on the top that I'm looking for. And it's been right now about a minute since I turned the broiler on, so not too much longer. But that's Tyler's tip of the day on how to get that really nice, crispy, brown, flaky top on your croissant pigs in a blanket. And I hope this helps you out. If you do me a favor and subscribe, it'd be great, because I have to get 1,000, like you know, to get any income start coming in. And that's kind of what I'm looking for here, because times are slow and doing what I can to just get on by. So do me a favor and hit that button down there and like this for me, and you can even share it with your friends. And I do appreciate it. You can actually see what's occurring right here. You can see that brownness coming in. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this broiler off now, and then I'm just basically going to let them sit there. And actually, looks like they're starting to brown up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and take them off. All right. So now you can see I've been letting them sit out for a little bit, and you can see that really nice, beautiful color, and it makes them so crispy here and flaky on the top. Just so you can see how that is. And well, heck, I'm gonna go ahead and eat one. So there you go, folks. Browning tips.
It's time for